Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my first time experience and my opinion while trying a new Chanel foundation. I'm so excited about this video because this is my first ever Chanel foundation. I always been a Dior girl. I tried many Dior foundations and some of them actually worked for me, so I never actually was looking for some new luxury foundation. But I saw this beautiful ad and I read the description of this foundation and I just thought that that's what I need. And yeah, it just like looks really pretty and aesthetic and I love pretty stuff, so I don't know, I just decided to treat myself and splurge on some Chanel foundation. Another reason why I picked it up, it's because I love that it's close to tint foundation. I think it goes like with a light to medium coverage, which is always perfect for me. I don't like even medium or high coverage foundations. And also it is enriched with red camellia oil, which is really moisturizing and helps protect our skin from external aggressors and maintain a youthful appearance. I don't know, I just saw it and I decided to try it, and yes, we're gonna try it today together. And it looks like this, and I grabbed mine in shade B10. I usually lean to number 2 or 20, but right now I'm pretty pale and I always wear sunscreen on my face, but right now I'm pretty pale over here, so I think B10 should work for me very nicely. And also I grabbed their lip and cheek balm in shade Healthy Pink. I just love the name of it and decided that's what I need. And I'm going to apply this foundation one part of the face with a brush, and I'm gonna use my favorite foundation brush, which is from BK Beauty 101, and this cute sponge from AquaTools, which is biodegradable. It even says here Blend Me. So yeah, I really love this sponge and I'm gonna use it today. So on my skin right now, I have all of my skincare. I prepped it very nice, not too nice. There is no primer on my skin, just a couple of serums, moisturizer and SPF. So yeah, let's go straight to foundation. Like I said, I have it in shade B10. It has a pump, I like it. So let's check the consistency and color. It is just a bit runny. It's really creamy and I think this shade might suit me actually. I'm glad that I didn't get 20. I mean, it looks very light, honestly, but I saw a few people who grabbed 20 and it was like really on a warmer orange side and I don't want that. So let's start with this side of the face, and I'm gonna use brush and I'm just gonna put some dots. I think should be enough. So let's go. I honestly wanted to wait for a better day to film this video when my acne scars would fade, or I don't know, I'm gonna have a better skin for Chanel foundation. But I decided to try it today exactly to see how it looks on the skin with some spots and everything. And I want to say that I really like it. I would say that it's definitely light coverage. It just fixed my tone and kind of got rid of this redness and unevenness on my skin, I would say. And it's really lightweight. I don't even feel it on my skin right now. Yeah, this is definitely light coverage foundation and I don't think you can build it more than medium, but I really like it, and I think shade is perfect for my neck and overall my face. So let's do this with sponge. I want to say that it blends very well. It doesn't matter if you use brush or sponge. The coverage is still going to be light, but it's like really nice and blendable. I love that I don't feel it on my skin, but my skin tone just got better and more even. I really like it. I think it looks really healthy. If you need more, you can add some concealer, you know, but I think I would be I think I'll be reaching to it pretty often because it's just like this quick way to even out your skin tone. I think the finish is like really satin. It's not super matte, but it's not glowy, but still it has some glow. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like it. I want to see what's gonna happen if I'm gonna go for a second round. Oh, I still have some. Also, what I want to say, I don't know, I think, yes, if I'm not mistaken, it is oxidizing a little bit. See? So I think don't be scared grabbing a lighter shade, because I think this one is lighter than this one. You know? I don't know. Do you see that? Or it's just me? This is very weird. No, probably not. Okay, let's do second round of dots. So the second round, I'm just gonna blend very quick with my brush. Okay guys, second layer is done. I don't think it really changed much, you know, in terms of like making it like medium coverage or something like that. I can still see my skin, some imperfections, and I love that I can really feel that in this foundation there's some skincare things going on, because it really looks good on my skin. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really moisturizing. I don't feel like it's really, you know, tugging my skin, like it's feeling dry anywhere. And yeah, you can set it with the powder and add some concealer, but I think that I would just use it on its own and probably not set with anything, just put some lip balm and that's it, and it looks really nice, really good. I really like how glowy it is, you know, look, can you see that? And it's just like my skincare and this. I like it a lot. So let's move to the balm, which is healthy pink. It looks like this. Yeah, I think it really looks like healthy pink. It is very creamy and it melts immediately under my finger. It's a very pretty color, you know. Ugh, I'm making a terrible swatch. Let's make a better one. Oh, Sasha, you can do it. It's better. I think I'm gonna put it with my fingers because I'm planning to carry this in my purse, you know, so I was not gonna carry brushes with me. So let's first put it on my lips. Okay, I immediately like it because it is really creamy. Okay, I think it looks really lovely and it's really like a healthy pink color. It's not sticky at all, but it's like really nice feeling. I can definitely feel it on my lips, like a really thin layer of lipstick. I'm not gonna lie that I'm not feeling it, and it's so lightweight. I can feel there's something on my lips, you know. But I like this color. I think the name of it is perfect. It's truly healthy pink. Let's see how it's gonna act on my cheeks because it's like really creamy. Hope it's gonna work. Okay, let's use this foundation brush. No, it looks nice actually. Oh, I'm actually really impressed. For some reason, I thought it's not gonna work. It's very cool that this foundation works really great with this balm. I really like it. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my lids over here. Sometimes I love going for this like monochromatic look, using just one color on my cheeks, lips and eyes. I think it looks very fresh. I think it's totally enough to have this foundation and this balm. I don't know, I love it. But when I got this package, I got this little cute sample of their Le Volume de Chanel mascara in shade 10 Noir, and I'm just gonna apply it right now to finish this look. And I never tried Chanel mascara as well. Okay, this is very nice and weird brush. Okay, so let's put it on. Ooh, Ooh, I think it looks very nice. Good. Let's do another one. It looks very nice. It doesn't look clumsy because sometimes I'm really scared of these like big silicone brushes. Because in my case, they usually make things very messy, and I like my eyelashes looks clean and brushed through and not clumpy and stuff like that. But this looks pretty nice. So yeah, overall guys, I really love this foundation. I think it's amazing. It's really natural, glowy, perfect every day. If you like minimum makeup, you love this glowy, natural, less is more look. And these two products, they just like amazing. I think just brush your brows, curl your eyelashes, and you're good to go. I really like them, definitely going to use them. Will I spend another $70 and buy a second bottle? I think only time will show, but I'm definitely going to reach to it very often because I just like it. So yeah, leave your comments below guys, let me know if you like it, have you tried it already, and I hope you loved this video and it was helpful for you. If yes, that's awesome because I really enjoy filming those for you, and I'll definitely see you in my next one.
I'm not really sure what happened just now. It's all a blur from when you walked in, walked out. I'm used to being on the ready, but you got me unsteady. Driving home, going in circles.